Have you ever met with such problem that the air conditioner took too long time to reach the setting temperature? The compressors we use are all famous brand, which can run in high frequency in beginning by accurate algorithm. Within 30 seconds, the air outlet can reach to 23 degrees centigrade. When cooling, and within 1 minute, reach to 45 degrees centigrade when heating. After fast cooled and heated in evaporator, the indoor air will pass through the CDF designed air dust in the large diameter cross-flow fan. Finally, it will arrive the ground within 1 meter, but with 15% more airflow comparing to the competitors. Customers will feel comfortable immediately.